all this is so good evening to all. I'm Lokesh Solanki and I'm from Korali. Today I want to share about 7 things. Some days ago PM Narendra Modi shared 7 appeals. So today I will tell you we will definitely get profit on these things or not. As per my ideology, it's a good thing. We will definitely get benefit on 7 appeals. First is prioritize work from home. When we will get chance from work from home, so we will feel more comfortable. Nowadays people are feel tedium towards work, towards company, towards offices. They don't want to go company, but despite that they have to go company. When they will get chance to work from home, so they will definitely save money and time. Many people spend 8 to 10,000 only for conveyance charges, transportable charges from Faridabad to Gurgaon, Faridabad to Delhi, Delhi to Faridabad. So we will definitely save money. And second thing, same time. Many people from Faridabad, they go to Gurgaon and they spend around 3 to 4 hours only for traffic, only for transport. So when we save our 3 hours, and when we save 3 hours and put on our right things, our growth and give our family, give our children and give our health, so we will definitely give chance to growth in our life. Next is cut down the use of cooking oil. Nowadays many Indian peoples are use too much amount of edible oils. That's why they are facing many types of disease like high cholesterol, blood pressure and heart problems. And it's now rapidly increased because they are taking huge amount of these types of oil, and most of the oil they are fake oil. They are fake oil, and despite that people are taking because they are not afford, they don't have money to buy a good oil. And next is use Faber Fauna branded product and adopt Swadeshi. Like when we buy our Indian product, so we will get, many people get chance to get chance to work in Indian companies. When we buy Indian products, so our Indian companies, Indian brand, are making more cloth, making more stuff for us. So we will definitely chance to work on that companies. Next is let less independence on another countries. Nowadays we are more 80% depend on other countries about crude oil, petrol, diesel and many types of. Most of the people are only like abroad things. They are like other countries branded. They don't like Indian branded. So we should think about that. Next is avoid foreign travel for 1 year. Like most of the peoples, they every month they want to go abroad, many places about Dubai, America. So we should think and we should stop for 1 year, and you can explore our country. Indian beauty, you can explore Indian beauty in India. Many things too you can explore. You can go and visit these things. Next is boost economy. When we travel in our India, so definitely our economy will increase. And nowadays we should give chance to our India to buy cloth, to buy anything you want to buy. So just you buy only Indian brands, not on another company, not on another like foreigner brands. So that's it.